Hello again. Today I'm going to talk to you about a tool called datree. In Kubernetes, imagine if you have tens of developers pushing manifest files to production. You have to have a way to force policies on them. That way, you don't have insecure or otherwise not good configurations as you define it in production. There's a simple free tool that you can use to define policies and test all your YAMLs against it. So I'm going to do a demo of that today. Uh, the tool is called datree, and this is their website, and I'm going to put that in the description. It's super easy to install, one liner. I already have it installed on my machine, so I'm going to do a demo of that right now. So if you wanted to see how to use the tool, you just do a -H, just like anything else. You can also do version to make sure to see what version you have. Um, Once you have that, you can use the tool against any YAML file that you have. So in this, for example, in this directory, I have tons of YAML files. I'm going to use one to show you one that works well, for example. So let's say da3 test is the policy name and the file name, in this case, shortest yaml.yaml. And runs for a second and tells you there's no issues with it. Um, by the way, it also checks for errors in your YAML. So in addition to qval, you can also use this tool to find errors in your YAML files. So in this case, everything looks okay, no issues. Um, I also have an example where it fails. So let's look up that file and run da3 against that. And you will see that my screen is lit up with all kinds of errors. For example, it's looking to make sure that the container has the configuration CPU limit. It doesn't have that, doesn't have liveness probe, doesn't have memory limits, and so on and so forth. And again, your policies could be different, and you can always have your custom policies in your use case. So this is a really good free tool to use to check for problems before you put manifest files in production. Hope this was useful, and we will see you next time.